The name is Kyle Cummings, and the name of the business is Rock Creek Roofing, LLC. Rock Creek Roofing got its start, kind of as a side job going through college, and then turned into kind of a summer deal. And as I was going through college, was getting a business degree. And then once I received that degree, the guy I was working for no longer wanted to do roofing, and so I thought that was a good opportunity to start one of myself and get it going. I guess what I learned is to build a loyalty base, do what you say, and to always follow through. And by doing so, people really respected that, and it built a trust and a loyalty with this community that really helped sell my business. BizIQ has helped my business grow and giving me that online presence. I ran the roofing company for several years before joining forces with BizIQ, and as our world has changed and shifted, everything seems to be online now and through social marketing and stuff like that. So BizIQ has given me that online presence with website and giving people that access to reach me through that website. It's very easy to become overwhelmed as a small business. Typically, you're doing most of the stuff yourself. I believe that they can really help, like I said, kind of give you the flexibility and ease your mind in certain aspects with the online presence. Hopefully, put you, on the first pages of searches and allow people to connect to you who might not essentially know you. And so I feel like they are a really good fit for small businesses.